I just want a hug. Ah, you're invisible.
Dude, where the fuck is everyone?
You tell me. We actually are invisible.
This is fucked. Dude, look, literally.
Oh, Trick hosted me?
This is not real.
Oh, my man Trick with the host. Thank you so very much, Trick. Can we get some Trick 2G love in the chat? Thank you, dude. Can you do me a favor, by the way?
Yeah. What?
Can you sit next to this tree over here? Do you hear me? Come next to this tree right here. Can you come next to this tree?
I don't know where you are.
What happened?
Someone set me on fire.
Really?
You're hacking. You fucking. Oh my god.
What are you talking about? Wait, what are you talking about?
Bye bye.
You still there?
Fuck
Nice
that.
games.
Piece of shit.
Are you still there? Are you there? Hello?
Nice game.
Are you there? Where is he?
You guys are pieces of shit. You reported faggots.
Game.
Fucking hacker!
Reported faggots.